नाही तर त्याका लागून क्रायम रेट्स जी आहा वाडलेली आहे, द ऍक्सिडेंट प्लेसीस जे आहा वाडलेले आहे, द ड्रग्स, द प्रोस्टिट्यूशन हे वाडलेले आहे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इव्हेंट्स अँड ऑल.
It's not necessarily to prostitution वाढली म्हणून because the event is coming. Event 28, 29 आणि 30 तारखेर जातले. लोक तेन्ना येतले. Prostitution पहिले चालू आहा. So there are many other things which are there in the field which you know and I don't need to name, which are bringing Goa to be known as a city of sin. And this kind of things are ruining the good name and image of Goa. पळोवया आता आमगे कितले फॉरेनर येताले आनी चोय. आमी 1970s उलोवया, 1970s 1980s लोक येताले, फॉरेनर येताले आनी नुस्तेकारागे घरा रावताले. इतले हॉटेल नाशिल्ले पयले, रूम इतले नाशिल्ले पूण घरा रावताले अँड स्टील गोवा वॉज नंबर 1 टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन. हॉटेल गायले, बिझनेस करपाक गेले, पयशे करपाक गेले आनी कितें जालें, काबार जावपाक जालें. सो यू रीच अ पीक टायम when instead of encashing on it, we are defeating the very purpose of promoting tourism.
इन्क्रीजन ऑफ ऍक्सिडेंट केसीस सर कितें करूंक जाय, कित्याक ऍक्सिडेंट प्लेसीस वाडटा बिकॉज ऑफ रोड्स or because
There are
of
many factors. You can't say necessarily one factor. Road engineering, हांव सदां सांगता, road engineering has been faulty. You cannot put a computer engineer in the roads department, esh kon asa. You cannot put somebody who's coming from buildings into roads. You must have specialists who have that thought process. You can't transfer them 2 years or 3 years into this department to that department. Water department, PWD guy of roads. How can it happen? So it's like this what is happening. Those people who are experts in that should remain in that line, and then you will get quality kind of road infrastructure. Number 2, at the planning also, then you have to have other things like approach roads, entry points. Then you have smooth roads. तू पळयसो रस्ते तू जेवले जाल्यार पावले जाल्यार आमचे म्हापशाचो पणजे गेले जाल्यार तुका डायजेशन कंप्लीट जातलें. कित्याक रफ रोड इज व्हेरी रफ. आमकां सांगलां हांवें इंसाल्ले पासून अरे हे शिमटाचे रस्तो कोतात आनी कित्याक दामोर गायनात. ना दीस इज व्हेरी गूड क्वालिटी म्हणपाक लागले. गूड क्वालिटी म्हणून आनी पयस मोडपाचे आनी आतां सगळे रफ जाले. वयल्यान दामोर घातले. चोय तूं हांव कितें म्हणटा. So this is all fraud which is going on. That is one part of the road engineering. Second, आमगे इंजिनियरिंगाचे ते रोड टर्न्स, अप्रोच रोड साडली कोण भायर स्वता आमगे कितले पंक्चर्स आहात इन अ हायवे आनी तेच पासून सिग्नल ना प्रॉपर, नो प्रॉपर रंबलर्स तेय आसा. सो दिस इज अदर फॅक्टर्स विच अफेक्ट आवर रोड. फायनली डोंट फॉरगेट आमगे टुरिस्ट येतात ते. दीज पीपल who are having this these tourists who are coming, don't forget they come in for a holiday. They are very relaxed, and after a couple of drinks they may not be able to drive, but they still think they can drive. Sometimes कोण पिता काय म्हणटा म्हज्यान भोंवपा जायना, म्हज्यान चलो जायना आनी हांव एक पांयाचेर उबो रावतलो म्हणटा. तो आम जाणा आमगेले लोक करतात मोटरां बसपाचें न्ही. So I always said that is one part where the police have to be strict on monitoring the drunken driving cases. Second, not party भरपूर पयसून येयले ते जाम जाले पूण तेंगे इतली उमेद आहा बिचेर धांवपा, पार्टी करपा, नॉन स्टॉप जाम जातात. न्हीद पडली गाडयेचेर आनी एक्सिडेंट जातले. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन पावर देंवता. इवन आय से that these goods vehicles, transport vehicles, heavy vehicles, I want, which I am writing to the Supreme Court panel which is monitoring these road accidents across India, I want them to recommend a law where you can monitor the hours of working of a driver. कित्याक ते 12 वरां 24 वरां गाडी चलयतात.